Are you wondering how to get all of the information necessary for a perfect day in Milan?
Well, then you've come to the right place because
we've taken our real-life experiences and put together a channel that delivers the information you need to create the best vacation experience.
So go ahead and clear that calendar.
Pick it and click it. Our videos put the power in your hands. So come along and get excited about your next vacation destination. Let our channel be your one-stop travel shop.
You too. Good morning, Milano! Yes, get that excited because we have a full day of the best things to do, see, and eat that Milan has to offer. Let's head out to get a traditional Italian Milanese breakfast, an espresso, and a pastry. Kova. Call this eating al banco, right up on the counter here. I can see why they do that in the mornings. That cappuccino, excuse me. I've not tasted anything like that. Oh, it was really good. So what you do is you walk in, that main door to your left, there's a counter. You pay first, and then you bring your tickets to one counter with all the gentlemen in their white suit get-ups there. They're gonna get you your coffee, espresso, cappuccino order. Just to the right of that, where the ladies are behind the counter, that's the pastry area. And you eat it al banco, which is right up where I was eating it. You could get a table too. Apparently they charge you more money for that. If you're only getting a cappuccino and a pastry, I guess, you're only in there for a few minutes, so el banco. If you hadn't noticed, when arriving at Kova Cafe, we are on Rue Monte Napoleone, and it is the premier fashion and shopping street in Milan, Italy's fashion capital. If you're looking for a more detailed view of this amazing street, check out our walking tour. All right, now that we're leaving Kova Cafe and we've enjoyed our traditional Italian breakfast, it is time to head on down to Piazza del Duomo. Also known as Cathedral Square, you can enjoy incredible views of the front of the Duomo Cathedral, the arch that marks one of the 4 entrances to the Galleria Emanuel Vittorio II, aka the arcade, which we will see more of in the video, and a giant bronze statue that commemorates the unification of Italy from its first monarch, Emanuel Vittorio II. Throughout the year, this amazing piazza hosts festivals and events. It is some of the best people watching you're gonna find in all of Italy. Let's head around to the side of the Duomo and begin our tour. But first, there's a few things we need to know. A lot of red circles with a lot of red crosses through them. Now that we've gone on the Duomo website to buy our tickets from them, it's a lot cheaper, and we know the things we can and can't do while inside. Let's get in there. Let's see this amazing cathedral. Once we enter, we go up and up the stairs to get to the terrace. There are lift options with your ticket purchase, so if you don't want to walk up all these stairs, you should check that out. Once you arrive at the top, you are out onto the terrace. Incredible views across Milan. Take some time to look around and take some pictures, and enjoy. Once the terrace walk on this side of the building is complete, another few sets of stairs, and we're up where we will emerge on the rooftop. Well, it is impressive. There's just nothing else to say. Along the terrace walk, you'll see some of the 3,400 statues and 700 figures that adorn this incredible marvel of architecture. Once we're done checking out the rooftop and those amazing views, we're down to the other side, which is going to lead you into the cathedral itself. Amazing. It took over 600 years to complete this building, and when you enter it, you can see why. From the altar to the stained glass to the sculptures, a visit to the Duomo is an absolute must if you come to Milan. This place is spectacular. Not across the street from the front of it, but there's the front. And there's the museum. We'll head out, because right across the street is the Piazza Reale di Milano. Oh. That's it. What was once the residence from Milanese rulers is now the museum for the cathedral. I like that one a lot. Tons of statues, it's pitch black in there, so give yourself time. Give yourself time to let your eyes adjust. All right, now it's time to fill up on a culinary marvel. Let's head around the corner to Luini Panzeri. Here it is, Luini. Now check out the lineup on each side. Those long lines are there for a reason. This place is super popular because the food is delicious. Grab yourself a panzerotti. I had the prosciutto and mozzarella. It was... I enjoyed mine while doing some people watching at the Piazza del Duomo. But now that we've had our quick lunch, let's head out to Castello Sesco. Castello Sesco, this 15th century fortress turned castle, now turned museum and gardens, is an absolute must-see when you come to Milan. And we're going to check it out as part of this perfect day. They have artwork here from the Renaissance masters Leonardo, Raphael, and there it is, the Rondinini Pieta, last work of Michelangelo. From the giant castle to the small church, we're going to move from Michelangelo's famous Rondinini Pieta to go see Leonardo's The Last Supper. This unassuming church, the Santa Maria delle Grazie, is home to Leonardo's masterpiece, The Last Supper. Make sure you get your tickets for this way in advance. If you're planning a trip to Milan, as you're booking your plane tickets, get your ticket to this. It sells out super fast. The work was completed in 1498 and stands a whopping 15 by 28 feet. Okay, it's time to leave Leo, and since we've been walking around all day, let's get ourselves a cold treat and hit Tre Gazelle for some gelato. With incredibly high quality and options to please anyone, this gelateria lives up to the hype. Oh my god. It's like a Ferrero Rocher ice cream. Taking the time to make a stop at Tre Gazelle is imperative to having perfect day. Take that gelato for a walk and finish it on the way to the arcade. There are 4 different entrances to the Galleria Vittorio Emanuel II, but we're going to choose this one because it walks directly in front of La Scala, one of the most famous opera houses in all of Italy. If you have extra time in your day and appreciate such things, there are tours available of this impressive opera house. Built in 1877 and featuring these incredible stunning glass and iron roof domes, incredible frescoes, many sculptures, and incredible mosaics. Check out the designs in the floors of this place. The arcade is packed full of luxury, high-end brand shopping. Because our goal on this channel is to provide relatively affordable perfect days, we're not going to actually do any shopping here, which might actually destroy our total cost counter in the top right-hand corner. Let's just stick to some window shopping. Before we go, we're going to partake in the tradition of digging our heel into the mosaic, or on top of the balls of the bowls. 2 spins. It'll give us good luck and a better chance to return to this beautiful city. We're looping around and we're looping around and we're looping around and we're out. That was awesome. All right, when you're not too dizzy, let's head out of the arcade. We're gonna cross the Piazza del Duomo and head down a few blocks to get some great views of Milan. Have an aperitivo. We're heading up to the roof. Doorman smiles at you, brings you around the corner, shows you the elevators, tells you where to go. Good start. Have a drink or two up here before we head to dinner and enjoy these incredible views. Try the Campari Seltz, a famous Milanese cocktail, or if you're plain like me, just grab one of your favorite beers. Bring some chips and some olives, that's nice. Just a nice rooftop Heineken. Like many areas in Southern Europe, dinner time doesn't start till much later in the night, so coming here before yours is a great time to catch a bit of the sunset. Once we've had our aperitivo, we're heading right back to where we came, into the Piazza del Duomo, to a restaurant called Mota. Since we're in Milan, we're gonna grab a favorite red and try one of their most popular dishes, risotto Milanese al safrano. Once you're finished your amazing dinner, hang around for a bit, have a coffee, have a dessert, enjoy more of that incredible bustling nightlife that's starting to begin in the piazza. And then after a while of that, it's time to head back to the hotel. Okay, so if you have a long layover in Milan, or you're just looking to fit all the best stuff in a one short period, and you're asking yourself, can it be done? No doubt.
Then you've come to the right place, because the total cost for this perfect day was 382 Canadian dollars. Worth it? If there are other things you would do, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Check out our top 10 do's and don'ts, walking tour, and daily vlogs to complete your tour of our one-stop travel shop for Milan.